Hello and welcome to TekBoost TV. Today I'm going to show you how to install a processor into a Dell T3610 Workstation. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer to make sure the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Please check out the quick spec link in the description below to learn more about processor compatibility for the Dell T3610 Workstation. First, ensure your computer is powered off and the power cord is unplugged. Next, press and hold the power button until the white light is completely shut off to ensure there is no residual power remaining on the motherboard. To open the workstation, lift the latch found on the side. You now have access to the heatsink, which must be removed to install the processor. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws holding the heatsink down. Once the heatsink is unscrewed, carefully disconnect the power cable and set aside. Carefully pull back the retention pins found on either side and lift to open the processor cover. To install the processor, first make note of the directional marking on the processor and ensure it aligns with the corresponding mark on the motherboard. Gently place the processor inside the socket and ensure a snug fit. Close the cover and replace the pins to lock the processor in place. Now apply a small pea-sized amount of thermal paste to the center of the processor. Secure the heatsink on top of the processor by aligning it with the holes on the motherboard. Screw the heatsink down and reattach the power cable. Once everything is in place, reattach the side panel. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below, and be sure to visit tekboost.com to take advantage of our great deals on all your IT hardware needs.